Driving down the highways, notice the beauty that surrounds me. Cruising through the towns, people all around. Open my eyes to all that's free. The prairies and the mountains in their majesty. The rivers and the streams, they are a vital part of me. Well, I'm American in America, American and I'm free. Good old America, deep in the heart of me. The kids in our schools, they're learning our history. Make this land a better place for folks like you and me. The countymen, their machines, paving roads, cutting grass, and sweat rolls down their backs, working hard to earn some cash. The cops on the highways patrolling up and down, always see the safety of every life in town. Nowhere in the world can you find this. Nowhere in the world you will see the beauty that we hold here. In the land where all that's free, and for who? For you. Do the best that you can for your fellow